Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to craft a hatchet in Hytale. Now the first thing you'll need is actually a workbench. If you don't have a workbench, all you need to do is go ahead and press tab on your keyboard. Then you can click here on workbench. You'll see that you need any tree trunk and you need any stone. So you just come to any tree and I want you to hit on that tree to get some tree trunks. And to get stones, all you need to do is you need to come here and hit these stones to go ahead and pick them up. And once you have these items, I want you to just go ahead and press tab on your keyboard to open up pocket crafting. And then I want you to come here, click on workbench, and then you'll see that you have these items. You need 4 tree trunks, you need 3 stones, and then you click here on craft. And once you go ahead and craft your workbench, I want you to press F to open it up, and then I want you to click on this icon right here to open up the tool section. And then to actually craft your hatchet, I want you to click on this icon. This is just the crude hatchet. Of course, if you have a copper ingots, you can also go for the copper hatchet as well. For the crude one, all you need is any rubble, you need any plant fiber and sticks. Then you just come here, click on craft, and as you can see, our hatchet has been crafted. Really that easy. That is how to craft a hatchet in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.